Whether you manage projects and programs, are involved with them, or are impacted by projects and programs, we hope this series is of help too. Using pragmatics and practicalities with shared expertise, activities which are often just assumed but whose absence impacts the delivery of projects are addressed. Time is also taken to consider areas of projects whose importance and significance are often overlooked or underestimated. The theme for this session is the role and importance of testing. Again, testing is often overlooked and or underestimated, but there is a cost to not testing. Testing is a statement of customer care, staff care, and business priorities. Need to sustain business by accommodating a change in operations coming from a project, whether it is a minor process change or a more substantive change, is what testing is about. Testing is done on a risk-based approach, and at its core is the question of what level of business disruption are we prepared to accept? Cost and effort. There is a cost to not testing, just as there is a cost and effort to testing. Testing often takes longer than is factored for, and it is easy to skip or reduce testing, especially on a risk-based approach. Remember, testing is useful in helping to determine requirements as well as defining operations and form basis of skilling and training. Importance placed. The attitude and approach taken to testing sends a signal to the project, to stakeholders, and to the business. And attention to and value of testing can be seen as caring for customers because we do not want them to have a bad experience from the release of a product or service. A similar message is seen by the business and related stakeholders to instill behaviors and to show caring. Business accept offering. Testing is used to answer the question, is the business prepared to accept the outcome from a project? Does it meet business needs? This is what user acceptance testing, UAT, is about, and is for people, process, data, technology, and service and support. Business use offering. A business accepting the outcome from a project is different to answering the question as to whether the business can use the offering and sustain operations. Testing is again used to answer the question that business can be sustained. This is operational acceptance testing, OAT, of people, process, data, technology, and service and support. The decision to sustain business on a risk-based approach factors cost and effort, the importance placed on testing, and the acceptance and use of the offering from the project. There needs to be an overall strategy and plan to testing. A range of areas are tested on a risk-based approach in a variety of ways. The testing shown does not distinguish between people, process, data, and operations and services because the testing applies to them as well as combined. Please pause to read the screen and download the image from the comments. Testing is about electing to accept the offering and then agreeing the business can use it with the ability to sustain business. Taking the time to test properly is a statement of care about the team and the customers, as well as being a reflection of what is valued. Thank you for your time, and may your investment be returned. Please share with others. Feel free to subscribe and add your comments. Here's to success in your projects and programs.